5 is la 1:30. Once you guys get past this one, what happens? We go to 2. So we say, son las 2 menos 25. Why? Because this is 25, 20, menos cuarto, menos 10, menos 5. Remember, it goes in increments of 5, right? When you guys are getting, once you get past here, you now move on to the next hour. So if you guys see 1:45, what are you guys going to say the time is? So are you going to say es la 1:45?
No.
Or are you guys going to say son las 2 menos cuarto?
Son las 2 menos cuarto.
Exactly. So you go to the next hour, alright? So now, let's look at this one. Now we're going to move on to son las. Are you guys ready for son las? Let's do 2. Okay? Let's do 2. Now, it's no longer 1 o'clock. So what am I going to say to this one? ¿Qué hora es? Are you going to say es la or son las? Son las, because it's not 1 o'clock anymore. Son las what? 2. Do you need to say anything else? You can. You can say son las 2 en punto, or you can just say son las 2. Okay? Now, what happens when I move this to the 1? Son las 2 and what? Y 5. Because I told you guys, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. When you get here, it's quarter past. So we're going to say cuarto. When you get here, you're going to say y media. Try not to say media.
It's media.
Media, but you want to say media. Alright? So now, son las 2:05. Son las 2:05. Oh, I think I may have some of this. Son las 2:05.
Whole box.
Oh, good.
Nah, Miss.
I have my whole box for that too. Excellent. Thank you. All right. So now, guys, let's see. Julia.
Thank you.
Let's see. What number do you want this on?
Having some high quality footage.
You want it on the 10, on the 2. You want it on
Thank
the
you.
3. Where you want it? All right, clase. ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? Sarah, ¿qué hora es?
Es la 2.
Is it S? I thought we decided that if it's not 1 o'clock, we say son las.
Son las.
Son las
2.
y cuarto.
Cuarto.
Y cuarto. All right. Now, next one. We are going to move this to here.
I am?
All right. Señorita Sunita, ¿qué hora es?
Thank you.
Son, señor,
Yes.
son,
I want to zoom in on the I am unique thing.
son las,
I'm unique. I'm Latina. I can reach my
son las,
goals.
2, y
It's like zoomed in so much.
it's on the 25.
I know, but like,
Y
what you can do is, before you start recording the video, you can zoom in, and then once you start the video, you can't zoom out of that, but you can like zoom in more.
Good
See?
job. Son las 2:26. All right, now,
Look how close
let's
he
move
is
on
to
to the
me.
next one.
Look, ready?